So I am looking at a possible long on the pound CAD. This is based on the daily chart. Let's go out and see what the higher time frames are like. So I've gone out to the monthly, and as you can see on the monthly chart, you wouldn't be you ideally wouldn't want to take a long based on the fact that we've sold off from this level here, the 210, come down, pull back up, sold down again. Now positive are these wicks down here in and around that 158, 157 level. 158, 157 level. We've had a consolidation further back here in 2010, in this little range here, consolidation between 2010 and 2014 before we broke out to the upside. Now we've come back down. We're in and around that area where at the top of the consolidation we've had these wicks, so just there is some buying pressure down there. If I go to the weekly chart, I'm trying to do this analysis as quick as possible. Pretty tired. I've got some work to do in the morning. So weekly chart, we're below the 200. We're below quite a few important moving averages that I use. So this could possibly be a level up there. Let's just stick down the chart. In around this region here. Boom. Most recent swing. Let's see, most recent swing is here. Also joins up with those down there. Let's just stick it there. Now, on a weekly chart, as you can see, we have traded primarily above the week's open. We've got a strong bullish candle appearing to be closing near its high on the weekly chart. So this is obviously Friday, early Friday morning. Yep, early Friday morning, the 15th. So as you can see, prices come down. We've got smaller bodies on these weekly candles here, in and around this area here where we've had support. We've had some buying off it, and we had some buying on the 10th of the 3rd, so that's October last year. Again down here in January as well, and we've pushed up to above that 170 level. Now this is obviously on the weekly chart, but my signal came on the daily, and so if I was to go long, my stop would be at the low of the triggering candle. And so where'd my low? Let's see. My stop will be placed at 1. It'll be at the low, so it'll be 160. Yeah, let's just say 160 flat. Currently at the moment it'll be about 298 pip stop. But this is obviously based on the daily time frame. The first target we're looking at would be around about the 166.10. So let's just put that on the charts here. So my first target would be, change the coordinates. Let's just change those coordinates. Let's change the style. If this doesn't work, no, my stylus is messing around, so I'm going to keep it as red. You can just click on it there, change it to say a green. Yep, there's my first target in and around that area there where we sold off, as well as that moving average. The greatest target would be this level here, around that 171 level, and then further above that we're looking at the 176.54. Now the 176.54 is a rather ambitious target. You're looking at well over 1,000 pips. You can near enough. Yeah, you're looking well over 1,000 pips, because currently we're at 63, so we're looking at about 1,300 pips, about 1,300 pips or so. Now that will take a couple of months at least to get up there. But there's our interim targets, medium-term targets. You could argue, based on the data, that's a pretty long-term target right there. That's the current analysis. It's just an end-of-day signal. This is obviously based on the daily chart, and those are the regions I'm looking at on the daily chart. Obviously, if price was to come down below that 160 level, then it would be invalidation, and as well as you could expect a possible retest of this level down here, which is 158.50 levels. And but then again, who knows, you might come down, stop us out, consolidate, and further push up. Could get a close above this moving average there, in around about that 163.65 level. So that's currently pound Canadian dollar on the daily time frame. Now, yeah, I'm just going to concede that I'm going to keep this as a separate video before I do the actual majors.